Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. A short video. I just only want to show you what inside my fish and how I maintain it to be neaty, clean and fresh, everything inside. So before that, please subscribe to my channels and take care everyone. So guys, let's go inside and check everything. Are you excited? This is how I maintain my fish. Right? Look at this. So neat and everything is fresh. We have yogurt, which is good for your diet. Here, 2 bottles of milk. This neaty is fresh milk. Bread, and behind is cheese. Okay, and of course we have a juice, which is orange juice. Ta-da! And we have apple juice. Oh no, sorry, mango juice, right? Okay, and this is just yesterday leftover snack muffin. You know guys, I don't want to stock too much food in my fridge. I just only buy at least good for a 1 week, because I don't want to be spoiled and messy inside and get smelly, and after and all the cooked foods left over, don't ever stock it. It's not good for your health. And now we're going to our fruits. Is strawberry. This is already washed. Everything, all my fruits, you can see all these fruits already washed. So you don't need to wash it if you want to eat. You just straight put inside your mouth everything. Yeah. Sorry. And we have blueberry, and so very sweet. It's from Australia. Actually, all my fruits is from Australia, right? And we have grapes, also this grapes from Australia, and we have cherry from Australia also. This is for the tip of guava. Well, guava, you don't wash and keep it. If you want to eat, you just strictly wash. You don't wash and keep, because if you wash and keep it, the skin may be not fresh anymore, so soggy and so soft and not nice. Right? We have to go over here. And we have apple, also wash it. They're ready to eat. And we have, of course, if we have orange juice, we have also orange fruits. Actually, this fruits, orange juice and cucumber, you cut it round. If you want too long, it also can. And mix it to the water, you soak it in the water and you just drink it. Lemon also, sorry. Lemon. Ta-da-da. Yeah. Nice smell. And of course we have a watermelon. Watermelon is so juicy, crispy and so sweet, yummy. Wow. This is actually the whole one. I just only cut half on top, because if you want to keep in one side, it's gonna be. Okay, this is our foods for tonight. Beef steak, 2 pieces of beef steak for tonight. Dinner. So no need to put inside the freezer. And of course, this tomato, which is good for your heart. Tomatoes. Oh yeah, you know. So next move is we're going to our vegetable area, which is you can find. Oh, ta-da! Oh, I have also. Um, so this one, if you put all together, it can be. You already can make peanut bread with yeah with tomatoes and bagoong. Perfect peanut bread. Yeah. So every time I want to eat Filipino food, it's easy for me to cook. I don't need to go there in Lucky Plaza and buy Filipino foods. I can cook my own stuff because I have enough stock to cook. Yeah, chili. Chili. They say chili is antibiotic. No. Carrots, of course, good for your eyes. Di mawala yan. So that's it. And now we're going to our freezer area. Okay. Of course, we have egg. A lot of egg. This is yeast. If I want to make pizza, I already have this. So, someone is okay. Yeah, yeast, and we have a jam here, black currant jam. Yes, just let's also ketchup and this ketchup. And also my favorite ever, mayonnaise. Yeah. And this is for salad. Okay, now we're going to our freezer area. Yeah, actually I have just only enough for good for 1 week. I'll show you. This is my freezer. We have salmon. Okay, wait, I'm going to this side. We have salmon. 2 whole chicken. So guys, that is my fridge look like inside. Isn't it neaty, fresh, and so nice to see? When every time you open, you can just straight see them so fresh. It's look like if they want to talk, yay, we're still fresh. So okay, sarap natin. I'm going to close now because the fridge already keep running. Okay. Ta-da!